Okay guys, so this is the QRG on how to load those pesky constructive response questions into your study island. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to louisianabelieves.com, and in that search box put assessment guidance, and it is going to pull up your guidelines for the test, and it's also going to give you some sample questions, so that way you can look at those too. Go to your grade level and your subject level for those sample questions. And so up here I have 5th grade social studies. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go in, and the first step is taking all of these graphics, these wonderful graphics that come with it, and making sure that you save them to your computer before you start trying to load them in. All right. Okay, so I have to save these awesome diagrams. What I'm going to do is I'm going down to my Windows button, and I'm typing into my search box snip, and you will see that snipping tool come up. So click your snipping tool, and you are going to click new. All right, and it's going to blank everything out for you. Make sure that on your snipping tool you have that rectangular snip, so that way you can nice and neatly cut and crop what you need. So I'm going to click new. I'm going to take my cursor, and I'm going to cover the portion that I want snipped. I am now going to click save. All right, and notice that this says the portable network graphic file. I need to switch this right now to JPEG. All right, I need to switch that to JPEG. I'm going to name this Inca 1, and I'm going to save it. All right, I'm going to continue to do that with all of the pictures. Once again, snip, new, all of the pictures that I'm going to use. Remember, make sure it's a JPEG. So that way I can pull them after. Now what we're going to do is we're going to log in to Study Islands. Please keep your document with your question open. All right, make sure you are on the teacher page, and we are going to go to Create Writing Assignment. Create Writing Assignment. Let's put your assignment title. Put the assignment date, put the end date, make sure it is activated, and any instructions to students. All right, any instructions that are needed to students. Make sure you spell checks off, because they're not going to have spell check with them. They will just have a dictionary. And select which rubric you want to do. This is not applying the rubric for them. This is just giving them a rubric to see. So LEAP or iLeap, I'm going to do this iLeap. And then click Writing Prompt. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click Grading Level category, create my own writing prompt, and it's going to bring you to this screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start the text of it by copying and pasting. Copying and pasting the text of the question to your document. And then when you're ready for the picture, like this is going to be my first document. This is document 1 of that question. And so now I'm in a place where I need to insert that picture. So I'm going to click the tree where it says Insert Edit Images. I'm going to choose File. And once again, I have to come down here and click for the file type. I need all files. So it's showing me all of my files. And I'm going to find my Inca 1. I'm going to put it in there, and then I'm going to click Insert. And so now my Inca picture is in there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and copy and paste the next portion of the text. That needs to be there in the question. And now I'm ready for the next image. So back to choose file. Remember how to change the customized text. And now I'm looking for that pretty mountain. I'm going to insert it. Please make sure that you're not chopping off the text, that you're ready to put the picture where it needs to go on here. All right, now once I have all of the question ready to go and the pictures, I'm going to click Next Students. I'm going to make sure that I have selected my students. All right, your class will pop up. Your classes will pop up here to select. I don't want to do this since we're on video, but if I were to click this, all of the kids that are in that will be ready to go. Now save next, and you're ready to have that assignment activated and ready to go.